Hi everyone, my name is Danielle, and for today's video I decided to show you how I challenged myself to find Magnolia dupes at the thrift store. I'm excited to show you the variety of items that I found. Let's jump right into it. Let's start off with this vase. It is a part of the Hearth and Hand line at Target and costs $20. I went to the Salvation Army and found this vase for $1.99. The one that I found is a bit of an inverse compared to the one at Magnolia with a wider bottom, but it's close enough. Since it was dirty and dusty, I cleaned the inside and outside with soap and water. The price wouldn't come off with soap and water, so I had to use rubbing alcohol to remove it. Once that was dry, I took it outside and spray painted it. Since the inspo face has a bit of a sheen, I picked up this satin spray in the color Fossil. It was a perfect match. I spray painted the vase and it looked amazing. To get inspiration on how to style things, I sometimes look on the product's website, and that's what I did with some of the finds in this video. I love how the wood on the ledge and the frame complements his face, and I love how they styled it with taper candles and flowers on the side. Here is my interpretation. I styled it on the fireplace that has a wood ledge like the photo. I also used this large vase that I already had from HomeGoods and these florals that I picked up from Hobby Lobby recently. I then placed the vase that I DIY'd next to it, along with a couple of brass taper candle holders that I thrifted a few years ago. I added these beautiful purplish brown taper candles that were on sale at Michael's. And here is the final look. Next, I got really lucky and found a pair of beautiful wooden taper candle holders while thrifting at Savers. On the Magnolia website, I saw these really beautiful wood taper candle holders. They are $22 for the 8-inch and $32 for the 14-inch. The ones that I bought are 12 inches and have this really nice ridge detail on them. Since there was candle wax on them, I decided to remove it. Usually if I want to remove wax from something, I put it in the freezer, but since the material of these are wood, I didn't want to destroy it with the moisture, so I just used my nails to chip it off. I first removed the price sticker and began. Once I was done, I wiped it with paper towel to remove the excess. On the Magnolia website, they styled these on books, which looks great. I love using books as decor to add height, texture, and color. I styled them with a painting. I also used these two books that I already had. I love styling with books with the spine showing, but I also love turning books around to show the pages as well. I then placed the candles on one of the books and the other on the table to give variation in height. I recently purchased this mini vase from Michael's that was released this season for the fall. I think it complements all of the colors that I'm using here very well. I placed putty in the candle holders to help stabilize them. And this is how it turned out. I love this simple vintage aesthetic. It's perfect for the fall season. Magnolia is currently selling this beautiful ornate wooden tray. It says it's for the bathroom, but you can use this anywhere in your home. I found these two trays and decided to go with the one with the brown flower. I brought it home, removed the sticker, and wiped it down because it was dusty and the tile was a bit dirty. I styled this on our countertop next to the wooden mortar and pestle and this Magnolia cookbook that I already had. On top of the tray, I placed our olive oil, a candle, and this adorable amber glass vase that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I then placed the stem in the vase to zhuzh things up. Let me know what you think of this look. I love the touch of elegance that this tray adds to our countertop. Now on to these beautiful rustic glasses that Magnolia has. They are $14 each on their website, but I found some as part of the Hearth and Hand collection for $7 each. I got lucky and found a genuine vintage pair at the thrift store for only $3.50 each. After I washed and dried them, I put them along with our other drinking glasses. These glasses are my new favorites. I just really hit the jackpot on this day. They knew I was on a Magnolia thrifting challenge. I found her book for $7. Online, it's currently about $28. As you can see, I love styling books in a variety of ways, and the thrift store is the perfect place to find them for an inexpensive price. When I went on the Magnolia website, I saw these beautiful trays. One is $40 and the other is $26. I find that serving trays are always available at the thrift stores, so definitely check them out there first if you're in need. I found 2 of these platters for $3 each. I cleaned it and got inspo to style this from the Magnolia website. I love how they placed the candle, small brass box, and a candle snuffer. For mine, I placed the candle on top and used this brass box that is filled with some roses that my husband gave me on our first date. I don't have a snuffer, so I just placed this stem across instead. These teakwood bowls are beautiful and rustic. They are pricey though at $112, so I was definitely on the hunt for something similar. By the look and feel of the one I found, I'm very confident that this is mango wood. It is a bit worn, but that adds charm that I personally love. I like how it's stacked here, and I tried to recreate that look with what I already have. I stacked them by using a wooden tray, the bowl that I thrifted, and a scalloped wood bowl that we got from Hawaii. These autumnal colored mini bowls are so cute. I love this tri-color combination that comes in the set. They also have these without the lid. They are the same price at $9.99. I found these, which I think are perfect for this time of year. They were $3 for the set. When I brought them home, I styled them on the same shelf as the wooden bowls and placed this mini jug that I bought from Hobby Lobby right next to it. Finally, this beautiful brass colander caught my eye. I actually have one that I thrifted a while ago that I wanted to include in this video. I got it for $4 and absolutely love it. If you saw my first ever YouTube video, you may have noticed it. We place our fruits in here and I love the vintage charm that this adds to our kitchen. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this shopping trip with me. Also, let me know in the comments if these styling tips were helpful at all and which piece is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!